Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on iPhone 15. So you have to start with opening App Store. Now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. Now click on this application and click here to install. Now you can click open. And now you can click skip introduction, and here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up and ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.